Hello, teacher. My name is Pablo Esteban Barrera Villar. I my identity card. Pablo Esteban Barrera Villar. Okay, next. Shin rice. Shin rice. It is a typical dish of the Colombian territory, more than all of the coast. In coast areas, shin rice is often seen in restaurants near to the beach and is the main dish since it's very delicious. Shin rice is very delicious. Its ingredients eh, rice, rice, shrimp, oil, oil, and garlic, and paprika, and sausage. Eh, okay, next. Prepared. It is prepared in the following way was to the raise and start cooking apart. The condiments are prepared and seasoned to finally combine it with the rice and to obtain the shin rice. Eh, shin rice is very delicious. I am from Riohacha, La Guajira. My family is Riohacha, La Guajira. And typical restaurant is shin rice, and I like shin rice. I like. Eh, thank you and goodbye.